my loves, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. Here in this channel we talk about relaxed hair growth tips, protective styling, and anything hair related. So if you know you're interested in this type of content, please consider subscribing to join the family. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a protective style, so you can use this on your hair whether you are relaxed or natural. So this is going to basically be a step-by-step styling video. I've shared a few of these previously on the channel, ranging from protective styles to low manipulation styles and all of that. So you can check out my previous styling videos if you're interested. They are all in my protective styling playlist, which is linked down in the description box below. So without further ado, we are just going to get started. So this is going to be a very simple hairstyle. Like I always say in my videos, one of the key to length retention is protective styling. And if you don't have the time to install long-term protective styles or time-consuming protective styles like braids or twists on cornrows, you can just do a fast short-term protective style till you have the time to install a long-term protective style or a time-consuming protective style. So this is one of those protective styles you can do when you are short on time, and it can take literally less than 10 minutes to install. So yeah, let's just get started. So I'm just going to start by sectioning my hair into two. So I'm just twisting this section so that it doesn't get in the way while I work on the other section. So I'm just going to detangle. So I'm going to be using like a twisting method to style this section of my hair and tuck it away sort of while moving towards the back. So it's going to be basically twisting in a cornrow manner along the edges of my hair. So yeah guys, and we are done, and I actually like how it turned out. Even though my twist may not be the neatest, I'm still struggling with installing twists and cornrows by myself, but this is definitely way better compared to when I started installing these protective styles on myself. So yeah, pretty happy with the result. So this is one of the go-to short-term protective style you can install when you're in a hurry. You can even turn it into kind of like a semi long-term protective style. Like I can carry this for like 2 to 3 weeks before I decide to take it out. So you have no excuse whatsoever not to install a protective style. You can literally install this in less than 10 minutes. Okay, so yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are new here and you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing to join the family, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.